A charge q is placed at a distance a by 2 from the center of a horizontal square surface of edge A as shown in figure. Find the flux of electric field through the square surface. Alright, now we have to calculate the net flux. We know net flux is given by Q enclosed or Q in by epsilon naught. This is my total flux. Alright, now I have to calculate the total flux passing through only one surface. Now what I'll do is that let's say I do have a cube, right, of edge A, and let's suppose I placed a charge Q exactly at its center. Now what will happen over here is that flux will pass through the whole cube, and since the charge Q is in its symmetrically center, so the net flux, total flux that is passing through the whole body will be 6 times to the flux passing through each face, because the charge Q is exactly in the center. Fine. So I can write that flux passing through each face will be the flux total by 6, and flux that is passing through each face, that is what I have to calculate, because this is the same case that there is an edge A at a distance of a by 2 from the surface. So I'll get the flux passing through each face, and that will be equal to flux total, that will be given by Qn by epsilon naught by 6. So the Q enclosed is equals to capital Q by epsilon into 6. This is my answer.